The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a multirole fighter aircraft developed by General Dynamics for the United States Air Force. The F-16 first flew in 1974 and entered service with the U.S. Air Force in 1978. The aircraft is designed to operate in all weather, day or night, and is capable of performing a variety of missions, including air superiority, ground attack, and providing enemy air defense. F-16 Fighting Falcon, a legacy of airpower. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, a name synonymous with aerial prowess and technological innovation, stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of aeronautical engineering. Introduced in the late 1970s, this multirole fighter aircraft has carved a prominent niche in the annals of military aviation, its sleek silhouette a familiar sight across skies worldwide. From its origins in the United States Air Force, USAF, to its global adoption by countless air forces, the F-16 has continuously evolved, adapting to the evolving demands of modern warfare. Its legacy, however, remains steadfast, etched in the history of combat aviation and serving as a benchmark for fighter aircraft design. The genesis of a legend, the lightweight fighter program. In the early 1970s, the USAF recognized the need for a lightweight, agile fighter to complement its fleet of heavier, long-range aircraft like the F-15 Eagle. This led to the inception of the Lightweight Fighter (LWF) program, a competition that would ultimately shape the future of fighter aircraft. The YF-16 prototype, General Dynamics, later a subsidiary of Lockheed Martin, emerged as a leading contender with its IF-16 prototype. This aircraft, with its distinctive delta wing and sleek fuselage, showcased exceptional maneuverability and speed, outperforming its competitors in flight tests, adoption, and production. The YF-16's superior performance cemented its position as the winner of the LWF program. In 1978, the USAF officially adopted the aircraft, and production began, marking the birth of the iconic F-16 Fighting Falcon. Multirole capabilities and performance. Air-to-air combat. The F-16's exceptional agility, combined with its advanced weaponry, makes it a formidable force in air-to-air combat. Its high speed and tight maneuverability allow it to engage opponents in dogfights, while its arsenal of air-to-air missiles provides the necessary firepower to achieve air superiority. Ground attack missions. Beyond aerial combat, the F-16 excels in ground attack missions. It can carry a variety of weapons, including precision-guided munitions, smart bombs, and air-to-ground missiles, allowing for effective targeting of ground-based targets. This versatility makes the F-16 a valuable asset in both offensive and defensive operations. Air defense and reconnaissance. The F-16 also plays a vital role in air defense, providing a robust shield against enemy aircraft and missiles. It can be deployed in combat air patrols to monitor and intercept hostile aircraft, ensuring the safety of airspace. Specialized variants of the F-16 are equipped with surveillance equipment, enabling the aircraft to perform reconnaissance and intelligence-gathering missions, providing critical information for military operations. Evolution and variants. S-16A/B. The early versions of the F-16, designated as F-16A and F-16B, served as the foundation for subsequent variants. They were initially adopted by the USAF and later acquired by numerous other nations, proving their effectiveness in a range of combat scenarios. F-16C/D Block 50 seconds. Subsequent upgrades resulted in the development of the F-16C/D Block 50 seconds variants. These models featured significant improvements in avionics, radar systems, and weapon capabilities, enhancing their combat effectiveness and extending their operational lifespan. F-16E/F Block 60 Desert Falcon. The F-16E/F Block 60, also known as the Desert Falcon, was specifically developed for the United Arab Emirates. This variant incorporated advanced avionics and weapon systems, showcasing the adaptability of the F-16 platform to meet the unique requirements of different air forces. F-16V. The latest incarnation of the F-16, the F-16V, represents the pinnacle of technological advancement for this iconic aircraft. It features an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, a modern digital cockpit, and enhanced networking capabilities, ensuring that the F-16 remains a potent force in the modern era. Here are the global impacts and users. United States uses F-16A/B, F-16C/D variants. Israel uses F-16A/B, F-16C/D, F-16I, Barak variants. Then Turkey uses F-16C/D. South Korea has F-16C/D, F-16V, while the Netherlands uses F-16A/B, F-16C/D variants. Enduring legacy and future prospects. Upgrade programs. The F-16's continued relevance in the modern era is a testament to its adaptability. Upgrade programs, such as the F-16V, ensure that the aircraft remains technologically advanced, capable of seamlessly integrating with modern combat systems and countering emerging threats. Sustained service. Despite the advent of fifth-generation fighters like the F-35 Lightning II, the F-16 is projected to remain a key component of many air forces for decades to come. Its versatility, proven reliability, and cost-effectiveness make it a valuable asset in a wide range of roles. A global icon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon has etched its place in aviation history, transcending its role as a combat aircraft to become a global icon. Its sleek silhouette, synonymous with airpower, continues to capture the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and inspire generations of pilots and engineers. Conclusion. A legacy of innovation and service. The F-16 Fighting Falcon stands as a testament to the enduring power of human innovation and the relentless pursuit of excellence in aeronautical engineering. From its origins as a competitor in the lightweight fighter program to its evolution into a technologically advanced multirole fighter, the F-16 has consistently adapted to meet the demands of modern warfare. Its global impact, spanning decades of service and numerous conflicts, underscores its enduring legacy as a cornerstone of air power. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, a symbol of agility, power, and versatility, will continue to serve as a testament to the spirit of aviation for generations to come.